Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2026. It's first round action and the scores are Jamaica College on 9, Rusea's High on 5. It's now time for the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Rusea's High, it's time for your first minute. In the Bible, which apostle was told by an angel to eat a book?
Peter.
Incorrect. John. Which is the main site of gas exchange in the lung of a human?
Alveoli.
Correct. What is the collective noun for a group of lemurs?
Bevy.
No. Conspiracy or troop. Which UN agency abbreviated IPCC leads global climate research?
Pass. For me.
The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. What is the second largest city in Brazil?
Sao Paulo.
Second largest.
Rio de Janeiro.
Correct. The formation of a sand spit is primarily caused by 2 interrelated coastal processes. One is deposition. What is the other?
Erosion.
No, longshore drift.
Next one.
Which Jamaican singer is known for the song Cheerleader that topped charts globally?
Mommy.
Correct. What are hydrocarbons which cannot add any more hydrogen?
Saturated hydrocarbons.
Correct. A bag contains 5 red, 3 blue and 2 green marbles. 1 marble is chosen at random. What is the probability that it is not red?
Right.
Sorry about that. No time to answer. 5/10 or 1/2. End of the first minute for Rusea's. Now to Jamaica College for their first minute. Jamaica College, as recorded in the book of Revelation in the Bible, how many elders surrounded God's throne in heaven?
4.
Correct. Which process in leaves releases water vapor into the atmosphere?
Aspiration.
Correct. What is a collective noun for a group of eagles?
Eagles. Soar.
Correct. According to the 2019 UN-backed Biodiversity Report, to the nearest million, how many species face extinction?
5 million.
Incorrect. 1 million. Mont Blanc is found in which mountain range?
Alps.
Correct. What is the name for lines that connect places of equal rainfall on a map?
Yes.
Correct. Which Caribbean artist recorded the soca hit Differentology, Ready for the Road? No, Bungie Garlin. When solid sodium bicarbonate is heated, it decomposes to produce carbon dioxide, water, and sodium carbonate. Is this reaction...
True.
No. Endothermic or exothermic? Endothermic is the answer. A car travels at 60 kilometers per hour for 2 hours and then 80 kilometers per hour for 1.5 hours. What is the total distance traveled?
1.5, 240 kilometers.
Correct. And that's the end of the first minute for Jamaica College. Now back to Rusea's for their second minute. Rusea's, which musical features the characters Elphaba and Glinda and is based on a novel by...
Wicked.
Yes. Give the precise name of the last emperor of Ethiopia.
Haile Makonnen Selassie. The second.
No, Haile Selassie the first. Which boxing class is just below heavyweight?
Heavy lightweight.
Heavy lightweight.
No, cruiserweight.
I mean...
A car of mass 900 kg
Pass.
is 180,000 joules. What is the Spanish for the ceiling fan?
Ceiling fan.
Pass.
El ventilador de techo. Who wrote the novel The Grapes of Wrath?
Grapes of Wrath. John Steinbeck.
Correct. Complete the Jamaican proverb, every Micklemek.
Mako.
Correct. Give the book, chapter and verse of the longest verse of the King James Bible.
Esther 8:9.
Correct. What is the name of the human muscle that separates the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity?
Diaphragm.
Correct. Spell intriguing.
That is INTRIGUING.
Correct. Who is the commissioner of the Jamaica Fire Brigade?
Sir Beckford.
Correct. And that's it. End of the second minute for Rusea's. Now back to Jamaica College for their second minute. Jamaica College, which film series features the quote, "May the force be with us." Correct. In what year did Britain vote to leave the EU, a move known as Brexit?
2016.
Correct. Bars, beam, and floor are 3 rotations in which Olympic sport?
Swimming.
No, gymnastics. A crate of mass 10 kg is pushed with a force of 20 newtons. What is acceleration?
2 meters per second squared. 2 meters per second squared.
Yes. What is the Spanish word for the stove?
La estufa.
Correct. Give the name of the author of the novel In Another Place, Not Here.
Jamaica Kincaid.
Incorrect. Dion Brand. Complete the Jamaican proverb, when trouble take you. Correct. Give the book, chapter and verse of the Bible, quote, "For God so loved the world that he gave
John
his..."
16.
Correct. What are the tiny hair-like projections in the trachea and bronchi? Yes. Spell Gnosticism. Gnosticism.
Gnosticism. Gnosticism.
Yes. Who's the Commissioner of Mines in Jamaica?
Mines.
Agent. Alright.
I didn't hear that answer, but I believe it was too late. Roy Fitzgerald Nicholson. And that's the end of the second minute for Jamaica College. Back now to Rusea for their third and final.
Come in.
Rusea, which island country has 4 to 5 sheep to every single human?
Wellington.
Wellington?
No, New Zealand. What name is given to a map that uses shading to show variations in statistical data?
Political?
Political map.
No, Chloropleth map. Which Jamaican music group won the first Grammy for reggae in 1985?
Black Uhuru?
Correct. An iron nail is placed into a blue copper 2 sulfate solution. What is the color of the solid formed?
Brown.
No,
Brown.
No, reddish brown.
Come in.
The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2, 3, 4. Find the size of the smallest angle.
30 degrees.
No, 40 degrees.
Next one.
Which film series features the character Ethan Hunt, played by Tom Cruise?
Mission Impossible?
Correct. In which year was the Commonwealth of Nations formally created?
2002?
No, 1949.
I mean?
Who won the men's singles at the 2023 Australian Open in lawn tennis?
Okay.
Pass.
Novak Djokovic.
Next one.
Light passes from air into water and bends towards the normal. Is the refractive...
Next one.
Refraction?
No. Is the refractive index of water greater than or less than 1? And the answer is greater than 1. End of the third and final minute for Rusea's. And now for the final minute for JC's. JC, what does the ballet term en pointe stand for?
Again. Again.
No, on the toes. Dog's tails is an acronym for tools we use to make what item?
Pass. Pass.
Maps. Which Jamaican won the Reggae Grammy in 1986 for his album Cliffhanger?
Give me Cliff.
Correct. Calcium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid to produce carbon dioxide. What visible sign in the test tube would indicate the reaction is happening quickly?
Effervescence.
Correct. The sum of two numbers is 26 and their difference is 4. What is the larger number?
Larger number.
Larger. 15.
Correct. Who won the Oscar for Best Supporting Actress?
Pass.
Monique. What international agreement sought to limit greenhouse gases in 1997?
Pass.
The Kyoto Protocol. Who won the women's singles at the 2023 French Open in lawn tennis?
Igasuetic.
Yes. Does the refractive index of glass with respect to air generally range from 1.5 to 1.7 or 1.7 to 1.9?
Was it open end?
1.7 to 1.9.
Now that's incorrect. 1.5 to 1.7. That's the end of the third and final minute for Jamaica College and the end of our speed challenge. The scores are Jamaica College on 27, Rusea's High on 18. We go to the break with a good word from True Milk. Create a study plan. Organize what you'll study each day before the competition. When we come back, it's the exciting buzzer challenge which will decide our winners. Stay tuned. Round 1 action in TVJ Schools Challenge 2026 returns right after this.